Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a Shop My Stash featuring my 2020 Project Pan items. Your first time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you're following me on Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty, and also subscribed to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. So y'all, if it is your first time watching, then you probably have no idea what a Project Pan is, what a Shop My Stash is, all that stuff. So if you missed my 2020 Project Pan, I will link that video right up here in the cards. Make sure you head over there and check that video out. It will explain what a Project Pan is and what all the products that I decided to put in my Project Pan. I also recapped the 2019 Project Pan as well. So I had a lot of fun doing this last year, trying to use up products, and I'm going to do the same thing this year. So I decided for our first Shop My Stash of 2020 that it was only fitting if I used the products in my Project Pan. I just thought we'd start the year off right with using up some good products, or at least trying to use up some good products. So I took all those products and I used pretty much every single one of them in this video. There's a few that, like, I had a few primers, I had a few foundations, so I didn't use both of them. I only picked one. So there's some products that I didn't use, but most of them in my Project Pan I used for this makeup look. So that's really it. I'm not going to talk your ear off. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I just decided to do a nice warm cut crease eye with a brown lip. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I think that's it. Let's jump right in. Alright y'all, so let's get started with this look. Let's go ahead and prime our eyes. I'm going to use the Profusion eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to prime my eyes, and then we're going to get ready for eyeshadow. So heading into the eyes, I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. This was the only eyeshadow palette that I put in my Project Pan this year, and it's so beautiful. I don't know what type of look we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna go for like more of a softer glam look, just something easy for y'all. So yeah, let's get started. Taking the Sigma E40, the tapered blending E40 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two shades right here. They're so freaking pretty, and they're perfect for the crease. Next, I'm going to take this fiery red shade right here, and I'm just going to add this to the crease as well. Didn't I just say this look was going to be soft? I do this every time. Take this warm brown right here, and I'm just gonna kind of carve out my crease a little bit. I still don't know where this look is going, y'all, but just roll with me, okay? That crease is cut so terribly, but we're gonna clean it up using the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. This is not a part of my project pan, but I'm gonna use it today. I'm gonna go in with this like gold reflective color. It looks like it has some red or burgundy in it as well, or deeper copper. I don't know, it's super reflective as you turn the palette. So I'm gonna go in with the shade right here and I'm gonna add that to the lid. I'm gonna go ahead real quick and pop on liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. So now that we've completed the eyes, let's go ahead and get started on the face. I have some really good products in my project pan for the face. If you guys haven't seen it, this is the NARS Velvet Matte Foundation Stick in Cadiz, and this is literally almost gone. Like, that's all we got left. So we're gonna be using this up this year, okay? Oh girl, I almost forgot. We do have to prime as well. So I'm gonna be using the CoverFX Mattifying Primer with Anti-Acne Treatments. Y'all about to see a little lace, okay? Because I did not put this wig on good. So just FYI. I'll fix it later. Calm down. But if y'all see a little lace on the side, that's why. Look, I didn't even put the wig down good. It's awful. I'll do it later. I ain't have time. Your girl been busy. The next product that I'm going to use is the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. This is in the shade SX08. And you guys, I'm not going to lie. I don't know how I really feel about this product. I've used it a couple times and I don't know how I really feel. So it's super thick. It's really, really thick. Clearly I use it for brightening purposes. Y'all just about to see this lace for a minute. I can't help it, y'all. I gotta push this hair back. So just bear with me. Yeah, I just don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. I feel like it's a little too thick. I don't know. Next, we're going to take the Beauty Bakery Baking Flour. This is in the shade Yellow. And I'm going to use this underneath the eyes. Let's let that simmer just a little bit. And I'm going to use, what am I going to use? I'm going to use the CoverFX Monochromatic Bronzer Duo in the shade Suntan Bronze. It's one of my favorite bronzers. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And I'm going to use this little brush here. This is the Real Techniques contour brush. I love this brush for really getting up in those cheekbones, honey. set my entire face, and I'm going to use the MAC. This is the Studio Fix Perfecting Powder in medium deep, and I really like this powder. So for lips, I'm going to take this MAC lipstick right here. This is in the shade Derriere, and it is a nice, just like basic brown lip color. Let's take off some of that lip balm we had on. Thing, we're gonna take this Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This one's in the Naked Cherry, and we're just going to shake it up, and I'm gonna add that to the face. So guys, that is it for this video. If you are currently using any of the products that I just used, make sure you let us all know down below what you think about it and how much you like it or don't like it. I'd love to know what you guys think about the products that I chose for my project pan this year. As usual, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.